In this video, we're going to show you how to replace the starter in your Subaru Outback. This will be located on the back of the motor. Let's get started. Using a 10mm wrench, loosen the negative terminal. Remove the negative battery terminal, put it to the side. Looking up on the driver's side, under the car, you'll look up and you'll find the starter. We're going to remove the connector, pinch and pull back, remove the connector. Going to open up the plastic cover or the rubber cover, pull that back. Using a 12mm socket, remove the nut for the cable. Remove the nut and the washer. Pull the cable off. Using a 14mm socket, we're going to remove the nut on the bottom of the starter. Remove the nut. Now on the top side, we're going to get our last bolt. It's going to be the top bolt for the starter. Using a 14mm wrench or socket, remove the bolt. This starter bolt also doubles as a bell housing bolt. Remove the bolt. I'm going to pull the starter straight back. Tilt it down. And pull it up out of the vehicle. Install the starter into the vehicle. Get it down into place. I'm going to grab our cable with the bracket. Install the bolt through the cable into the starter. Line up the holes and get the bolt started by hand. Torque the top starter bolt to 37 foot-pounds. Remove the nut off of the post. Install the cable onto the post. And install the nut. Using a 13mm socket, snug down the nut. Torque it to 7 foot-pounds. If you can't get a torque wrench on it, do the best you can. Install the rubber cover over the terminal. Install the connector onto the starter. Push it straight on. Give it a pull. Make sure it's locked on. Install the bottom nut for the starter. Get it started by hand. Snug the nut down. Torque the bottom nut to 37 foot-pounds. Install the negative battery terminal. Snug the terminal down. and you're good to go.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.